Well, all the implements came. Got the sifter for sifting rocks out of material, sand and whatnot. The quick attach. Got this is two different things. I got the wide bucket for the mini excavator. I got the hydraulic motor or drive for the auger. And I got the small bucket, the ripper bucket, which the excavator itself will come with a standard bucket. So I got the ripper bucket, the wide bucket, the sifter bucket, and I got the root ripper rake, the root ripper claw, right, and the crown jewel, in my opinion, the grapple. Oh yeah, so excited for that.